Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E14 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to open our browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but this operation, I mean removing browsing history, is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to clean your browser based on this tutorial. So let me open the browser. okay. And now all we have to do is to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on delete browsing data, and here we've got, I would say, basic options which we can remove. So the history, tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. We can change the time range, last hour, last 7 days, up to you. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, simply tap on more options, and as you can see here we've got advanced options like browsing history was the basic one, cached images and files also, and the advanced like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So as you can see, I will remove everything. We can also change the time range, all time, last 4 weeks, up to you. I'll choose all time and then tap on delete data. Tap on delete. And basically we just successfully removed everything. However, we can check it. Just tap on the three dots icon and tap on the history. This is the place where we should have the previously opened websites, the list of them. And as you can see, it is empty, which means that we just successfully removed our history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.